Symphony number 9 by Dvorak excerpt, and it's romantic in style. You'll want to use a lot of bow, a lot of vibrato. There are accents on down bows and up bows that you're going to want to make sure to acknowledge and have fun with it. It's a really triumphant sounding piece, very majestic, lots of fun. I'm going to play the Dvorak for you again, but I'm going to play it much faster so you can hear the differences between the two excerpts. I wanted you to hear two different speeds. So this one will be faster. I'm going to still try to do all my accents and vibrato and use lots of bow, even though it's going to be much quicker.